Thank you. So I am Philippe Lognonné from IPGP, and this is made together with Marc Panning from GPL, Benoît Tauzin from Lyon, Taishi Kawamura, and Yannick Karan from Vanderbilt University. Our idea was really to think on what might be done in the future when we will have the long-range rover capability. And to give you the idea of what we are proposing here, is that the size of the triangle you see on the screen will be between 5 and 10 kilometers for each segment. And the length of the yellow cable, we call DAS, will be also 5-10 kilometers. So therefore, definitively, this is not something which can be made with only one sensor. Next slide. The strategy, therefore, is to use this Artemis base camp, the long-range rover. We will know in a few hours to make an order of magnitude better geophysics than what was done in the past. So the past is, of course, Apollo. I will start on the right side on everything related to the shallow structure, including search for ice. We propose to use DAS. So DAS is optical fiber technology, where we can have sensitivity 10 times better than Apollo compared to the geophone, but instead of only 5 sensor for geophone, we will have thousands of geophone. The very important point for DAS is that it can be used also to control the structure of the base with the same sensor. So therefore, you can sense inside the structure, but also outside with the same interrogator. And on deep interior geophysical goal, we want to target. We want to target the grail of geophysics. We call the free oscillation of the moon. And in order to perform this, we need to be between 100 times and 1 million times better than Apollo. In terms of TRL, Apollo is the past. FSS is a light blue curve, and this will fly in 26. We expect to have the optical VBB, which is the black blue curve with TRL in 26. And we are working together with colleagues to get TRL 6 for the DAS in 28. And of course, the laser ranging techniques will need more time, likely TRL 6 in 2030. And last but not least, for the 5 minutes, this laser system will also be able to detect a gravitational wave through the oscillation of the moon.